Well, hi there. This is the first smart ring with sleep apnea monitoring and an unparalleled 10 to 12 day battery life. So if you want to track your health with the newest AI health coach manufactured by a leading personal health technology company that's dedicated to creating innovative products and services that transform the experience of maintaining personal wellness, well then, stay tuned. Hi there, Frank George here with my RingConn. Now, you too can enjoy a reliable health tracker with the industry's leading strong technology innovations with the key differentiator of being the first to offer OSA monitoring or obstructive sleep apnea monitoring, delivering 90.7 accuracy in identifying OSA in studies. And this feature can be turned on automatically at night by recognizing sleep. RingConn is actively pursuing FDA clearance for this feature. RingConn is a brand that you can trust, offering an outstanding user experience. It looks great and feels great too. RingConn Gen 2 suggests that customers select the sizing kit first to confirm the right size and preferred color. There's more on the website at ringconn.com. Well, from my personal experience, the size fits just right. Not too tight or too loose, and it stays in place, and it's super comfortable and good looking too. RingConn has been proudly recognized by IF Design Awards, Doob Design Awards, Best of IFA, IEE, EAI-CAS Best Demo. And with their winning combination of hardware, software, and services, RingConn aims to become the driver of proactive health management and empower users worldwide by offering a comprehensive and holistic understanding of their well-being. At IFA 2024, the RingConn Gen 2 was honored with 13 Best of Awards, including Gadgety Awards, TechRad RA Wearable, and Slash Gear for its outstanding technological innovations and design concepts. And check out their app. I personalized it by putting my picture in, and you can see it's 95% remaining connected, so I did pair it. There's data management information, settings, user guide, FAQs. I did upgrade to the last version online, and again, never any subscription fee. So now down on the bottom is your menus, and here you have on the trends, you do have information about your sleep, recent 7-day average, 6 hours 45 minutes, information about stress, average 50% score on my stress, so my stress is middle of the road. Activity is 43%, that could be improved. Vital signs, 78 beats per minute of your heart, and any notes. And here's the home screen that has some of the same information, it's just a different way to look at it. And down on the bottom, you will see the monitoring, the sleep apnea monitoring. The app is really, really well done. Today's information, you'll see my steps, my calories burned. So this is really good information. 64 beats per minute right now. RingConn Gen 2 offers 10 to 12 day battery life with 150 days of use when paired with a portable charging case. This is the world's thinnest and lightest smart ring with the minimal thickness of 2 millimeters, width of 6.8 millimeters, and weight of 2 to 3 grams. RingConn Gen 2 offers 12% decrease in width and 23% reduction in thickness compared to Gen 1. And it's waterproof and dustproof, boasting IP of 68. Waterproof resistance 100 ATM, allowing it to function at depths up to 100 meters underwater. And get this, RingConn Gen 2 was crowdfunded through Kickstarter for over $4 million in just 45 days. And this ring is compatible with both iOS and Android platforms, ensuring seamless integration with a wide range of smartphones and tablets. And you'll love that there is no subscription fee needed either. And when you get your Ring, it'll come in a box just like this. And when you open it up, you will find great instruction manuals, and you will find the charging unit where you put the Ring into charge, and you will also find a USB-C cable to charge. In summary, the key features are on the website and include RingConn Gen 2 is the only smart ring with OSA monitoring, and it's thinner, lighter, and has a longer battery life. And you'll love its accuracy. RingConn Gen 2 works double the water depth than Galaxy Ring, and Galaxy only works on Android phones. RingConn Gen 2 works with iOS and Android. And it makes a great gift idea. So get yours today. Until next time, I'm Frank George. See you soon.